If you've been told you need a root canal, don't worry. Today we're going to break down what that really means in a simple and easy way. So, let's start with the basics. Your tooth isn't just what you see when you smile. Inside there's something called the pulp. It's the soft tissue with nerves and blood vessels. Sometimes due to deep cavities, cracks, or injuries, bacteria can reach this pulp, causing inflammation or infection. And that's when things can get painful. If left untreated, it can lead to an abscess or even tooth loss. This is where a root canal comes to the rescue. Your dentist will carefully remove the infected or damaged pulp, clean out the inside of the tooth, and then fill it up to prevent any further infection. After that, your tooth is sealed and usually topped off with a crown to protect it. It's like giving your tooth a fresh start. Don't let the word root canal scare you. With modern technology, it's often no more uncomfortable than getting a regular filling. Plus, it can save your tooth from extraction. So if you're experiencing tooth pain or sensitivity, don't wait. Talk to your dentist about the best option for you. Root canal treatment could be just what you need to keep your smile healthy.